In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text size in Premiere Pro quickly and accurately, whether you want a fast visual adjustment or more precise control over the font size. This is a simple but really important skill if you're creating titles, captions, lower thirds, or any kind of text overlay in your edit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, which panel to use, and how to fine-tune your text so it looks polished and professional. If this video helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, make sure your text is already on the timeline. To do that, click the Selection tool or press V on your keyboard. Then select the text clip you want to edit right on your timeline. Once the text layer is selected, Premiere Pro knows exactly which text you want to modify, so this is always the first step before changing anything about the font. Now, let's open the panels you'll use. Go up to the top menu and click Window. Then choose Properties. The Properties panel gives you a clean, easy-to-use way to adjust text settings all in one place. If you want a more detailed editing view, go back to Window and open Effect Controls as well. Having both panels available gives you flexibility, because each one is useful in a different situation. If you want a quick and simple adjustment, the Properties panel is usually the easiest option. In the Properties panel, look for the Text section. You should see the font controls, including the font size slider near the T icons. Just drag that slider left or right to reduce or increase the text size. This is a great method when you want to visually match the text to the rest of your design without typing exact numbers. If you want more precision, switch over to Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel, expand the text heading. You'll find the font size value there, and you can drag the blue number left or right to make changes. You can also click directly on the number and type in an exact value if you want complete control over the final result. This is especially useful if you need your titles, captions, or graphics to match a consistent style across your project. Here's a helpful tip. Use the Properties panel when you want a fast, context-aware layout of all your text settings, and use Effect Controls when you need exact numerical adjustments. That way, you can work faster without sacrificing accuracy. If the text looks too large, too small, or just slightly off, make small changes and preview the result in your program monitor until it feels balanced. If you're working with motion graphics or multiple text layers, changing the size carefully can make a huge difference in readability and overall design. Always think about where the text sits on screen, how much space it takes up, and whether it still looks good on different frame sizes. A clean, readable font size will instantly make your edit look more professional. So, to quickly recap, select the text clip with the Selection tool, open Properties and Effect Controls from the Window menu. Use the font size slider in Properties for quick changes, and use Effect Controls for precise adjustments. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to change text size in Premiere Pro the easy way. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips, and check out my other editing tutorials for more beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.